Chuck's Science Workshop invites you to check out this new solar-powered airplane. Alright, let's start up the engine by simply letting a little bit of sun hit that solar panel. There we go. Alright, let's start taxiing down the runway. There we go. Let's fly. Let's take off. Alright, let's bring her in for a landing. Nice landing. Okay, let's take off. And let's let her fly around a while. Okay, back away from the shade. Here, back that all the way off the place. There you go. Runs on nothing but the sun. If I put my hand here and block it, she lands. Let's take off. Caught a little bit of wind current there. But it actually shows the effect of airlift. The pressure underneath is greater than the pressure up above the wing, and that causes lift. Thanks for joining me.